Introducing LashyDoodle.
Our next generation dramatic, bold, luxurious eyelashes are magically easy to use, painless to put on and take off, vegan and cruelty-free.
Welcome to the LashyDoodle Kickstarter Project.
I'm Amelia G.
And I'm Forrest Black.
We're really excited about this project.
It's going to be awesome.
LashyDoodle next generation high-tech lashes are luxurious fun. The first thing you'll notice are the fabulous designs, but the best thing about them is how easy they are to put on and take off. These lashes are so easy to apply that you just use our special hypoallergenic eyeliner, so much gentler than glue, and then place the lashes on the liner to attach them without fear of messing up your eyeshadow and having to start over, because LashyDoodle lashes are magically easy and painless to apply, remove, and reposition. You can even try on a few different styles to decide what looks best with your outfit. LashyDoodle eyelashes are so easy to change that you can just gently remove a pair without damage to your makeup, skin, or natural lashes, and reapply a different pair. It is that simple and painless to go from day to night, or switch up looks on a photo shoot or TV show, or dress up your makeup without commitment for a quick Instagram selfie. LashyDoodle eyelashes are for everyone. You don't have to be a makeup expert to put them on, and they look glamorous on all genders. All you need is to enjoy convenience, adventure, and looking great.
I think that's the quickest time I've ever put my lashes on. That's amazing.
In addition to personally enjoying fabulous lashes, my partner Forrest Black and I are award-winning photographers who have immortalized more than 3,000 cool, interesting counterculture people. This means we've had a lot of visibility to what looks great on someone rocking a look which is gothic, glam, punk, rave, cosplay, drag, or just completely uniquely your own. Forrest Black pointed out to me that he could probably just design whatever I wanted if I could spec out my dream lashes. 73 handmade prototypes later, we realized we had something amazing, something that other people needed too and would love the convenience and style as much as I do. From there, we started having friends come over and try on all the prototypes and be photographed in their favorites. Science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke famously said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic."
We did put a lot of science into these designs. We use FDA-approved iron oxide in our eyeliners to give the lash magnets something to gently stick to. Each pair comes standard with 10 micromagnets for eyelids and 8 micromagnets for lower lash line options. One of the challenges for having exceptionally dramatic magnetic lashes stay on securely is weight. We solved this by choosing a high-performance space-age polymer called PBT, which has a high molecular weight as our preferred eyelash material. This allows our fabulous lash designs to take color and natural shape well, while also resulting in much lighter weight for long, comfortable wear.
Thanks so much for watching our Kickstarter video.
With your help, we can put these great lash designs into production.
We hope you find some rewards you want down below.
And we'd super appreciate it if you'd share this with your friends on social media.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
See how easy this is. Oh, wow. Whoa, it just went right on there. Whoa, that's so cute. That was like first try.
I have had lashes put on me before, but I don't think I've ever had to do it on my own. Yeah. Oh, it's gripping all right. Okay, that was fucking easy.